Hello, good morning. My name is Ajay Palpim. I am from Latur and I am recently completed my BE in JH Rajani College. And about my family is 4 members: me, my mother, my sister, and my father. And today's video topic is a string constant pool in Java. In this today's session, we can see what is meant by string constant pool and why we use the string constant pool and what are the advantages and disadvantages of the string constant pool. All of these are see into the today's session. So let's start. The first we can see the definition of the string constant pool. The definition of the string first we can see the definition of the string. And the definition of the string is a non-primitive data types, and then the string is a object. It is used to store the character of the sequence. It is called as a strings. And the string also called as a character array. Then we can see the what is the use of the string concept in the string. We can say as a string is a immutable. What is meant by immutable? The immutable means we can create the string object once, and we don't need to create the many times, and it will be stored into this object into the string constant pool. What is meant by string constant pool? The string constant pool, it is special type of memory. It is present into the heap memory. Means it is we can assign a heap memory into the heap memory. This heap memory, some area is also called as a string constant pool. Also we can string constant pool as called as a string literal pools, or both are the same meaning of the string constant pool and string literal pools. Then we can see what is the use of the string constant pool and advantages of the string constant pool in Java. The string constant pool are used to store the object. By using we can create the literals. Means we can create the two way to the string object. The first we can create the by using the string constant pool, by using to the literals. This by using literals we can create the object. This will be directly stored into the string constant pool. This string constant pool is directly refer the JVM. Then we can create it by using to the new keyword. Now, by using new keyword we can create the string object. This object will be stored string constant pool as well as into the heap memory. Heap memory. That's the reason we can not prefer to by using new keyword to create the string object, because of the it will be occupies the more memory, because of the we can create by using new keyword. Thus it will be occupy the more memory, like it will be stored into the heap and string constant pool also. That's the reason it will be it is a created two objects. That's the reason it will be require more memory. And by using two literal we can created the string we can created the any object. This object will be stored into directly into the string constant pool. But string constant pool we can assign we can example of the string constant pool. The string constant pool also used to the reduce the advantages of the string constant pool. Is first is we can create the any object into the string constant pool. This string constant pool created object is stored into the permanently into the string constant pool. It will be once we created the any object like the same example is we can create the first string name is Ajay. This by using to the literals. This will be stored into directly into string constant pool. Then we can create the second string name is same like a string name is Ajay. This object also refer to the address of the first we can created the Ajay object into the string constant. It is mean by the we can created the object into the string constant pool. It will be stored permanently and it will be provide to address to the new string, but it has don't created the any new object into the string constant pool by using to the string. It is the advantage of the string constant pool. And then second advantages, so it will be growable in nature. Means we can increase the size of the object. It will be automatically increase into the string constant pool. into the heap area will be occupies. Then we can disadvantages of the string constant pool is we can create the string constant pool, and this string constant pool is a garbage collection is not mentioned because of the all these variable are stored in all these objects are stored into the string constant pool. It is provide to the reference to the JVM, and that's the reason here the created the object is immutable. This object this object is not allowed to the garbage collection, means garbage collector is not to delete this object. All these objects are present into heap area, it will be deleted by through the garbage collection garbage collector. This garbage collector are not to the allowed into the string constant because of the all these variable are stored into string constant. It will be provide to reference to the JVM. That's the reason our each and every object are stored into the string constant pool is immutable, and it will be stored into permanently. When we sometime the hacker will be hack the our string constant pool memory. That's time your secure data, means private data will be hacking possibilities. That's the reason we can don't use to the string to the store the password and security purpose. That's the reason we can use to the character array to the security purpose, because of the character array will be stored into the heap area, and that's the reason it will be used R close. That time it will be garbage collector is removed to this object into the heap area, and also the character array also return the data into the form of the so it is all about of the string constant pool. So let's thank you and take care.